what I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. So first up, we've got a mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I think I know what this one is. Some more contact lenses from Coloured Contacts. Now they've sent me some more natural looking ones, so I can't wait to try these. We got some more lenses from TTDI. There's like 15 pairs in here. That's a lot of lenses. Next up, we got some goodies from Mehron. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. Next is a package from Revolution. It's their collection with CeraNu SFX. We've got a paint palette, an eyeshadow palette, lashes, and a brush set. Next up is Sephora. Oh. Okay. So we've got hair oil, the all day hydrator, eye cream, face mask, rose quartz face roller, a vegan makeup brush, an eyeshadow palette, a lip plumper, mascara, and a lipstick. Oh my goodness. So this one is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's all soft and fluffy. It's her limited edition holiday collection. We got 2 lip kits, highlighter, look at that, and an eyeshadow palette. Nice nude shades in there. And last up, I've got this Revolution advent calendar. But as another thank you to you guys for supporting me and always showing love, I want to give it away to one of you instead, because I've got more than enough makeup here already. So keep an eye out on my community post for that announcement coming soon. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching.